What if I told you that almost every major decision that you've made, what to buy, who to date, where to invest, wasn't actually your choice? You think you wanted that new iPhone? No, Apple made you want it. You think you chased that person because they were special? No, they just stopped replying to your text for 3 days. And you think you needed that limited edition sneaker? Nope. You got played by one of the oldest tricks in the book, scarcity. But what if I told you you could flip this trick in your favor? Today, I'm going to show you how scarcity is used to manipulate you. And then I'll show you how to use it to make yourself more valuable in business, social life, and even relationships. By the end of this video, you won't just spot scarcity, you'll know how to use it to make people chase you. Let's play a quick game. Imagine you're shopping for a brand new laptop. You find one you like, but you're not entirely sold on it. You're just about to keep looking when suddenly, bam, a little red notification pops up. Only 2 left in stock. And suddenly, you feel pressure. You weren't even sure you wanted the laptop, but now you're thinking, wait, what if it sells out? What if I regret this? What if some other lucky person gets it and I miss out forever? And just like that, you buy it. Not because you needed it, not because it was the best option, but because you were afraid it might disappear. Now, imagine if you could make people chase you that way, whether it's in business, social situations, or relationships. Because I promise you, the most successful people in life aren't chasing opportunities. They're making opportunities chase them. My name is Stephen Kofer. Thanks for stopping by. It's great to see you. Scarcity is a psychological shortcut our brains have used for thousands of years. When something is rare, we assume it's more valuable. Back in caveman days, this was a survival mechanism. If there was only one fresh water source, it became a high priority. If there were only a few safe places to sleep, you made sure to secure one first. But today, that instinct gets hijacked. Not for survival, but for profit. Companies, influencers, and even regular people in your life use scarcity to manipulate you into wanting things more than you should. But here's the good news. If you understand how scarcity works, you can start using it to your advantage. I'm going to show you how to apply scarcity in business, networking, and even your personal life so that you can become the person or product that others chase after. But first, let's discuss the 3 traps of the scarcity principle. And stick around because scarcity trap number 3 is the most powerful. Scarcity trap number 1, time scarcity. The most common form of scarcity is time limits, a tactic that pressures you into acting fast before you have time to think. Have you ever bought something because there was a flash sale ending at midnight? Or booked a hotel because it said, only 1 room left at this price? You ever felt an overwhelming urge to buy concert tickets before they sell out? This is time scarcity in action. Now, here's how you can use time scarcity to your advantage. Let's say you're a freelancer, a consultant, or a small business owner. Instead of saying, I'm available anytime, try saying, I only take on 2 new clients per month. If you want in, now's the time. Boom. Suddenly, people feel the urge to act fast because they don't want to miss their chance. The same thing works in dating and in social life. If you're always available, people take you for granted. But the moment you say, hey, I'd love to hang out, but I'm busy this weekend, maybe next week, suddenly you seem higher value. Scarcity works because people value what they can't have. Scarcity trap number 2, supply scarcity. Next, we have supply scarcity, the classic only 3 left in stock trick. Companies artificially limit supply to create false demand. Now, let's talk about how you can use this to make yourself more valuable. If you're in business, create limited editions or exclusive products. That's what luxury brands do. Louis Vuitton doesn't sell bags. They sell status. Supreme doesn't sell clothes. They sell membership to an elite group. If you're in sales or marketing, instead of saying buy anytime, say, I only have 5 spots available for this offer. Once they're gone, they're gone. This makes people take immediate action. And guess what? You can do this in your personal life too. If you act like you're always available, people will take you for granted. But if you make your time feel limited, people will respect it more. Scarcity trap number 3, access scarcity. This is the most powerful form of scarcity, making something exclusive. Ever notice how private clubs, VIP sections, and invite-only events feel so much more desirable? It's because not everyone can get in. Here's how you can access scarcity to build more power in your own life. In business, create an application process. Instead of letting everyone work with you, say, I only work with serious people. Apply to see if you qualify. Now, instead of chasing customers, customers chase you. In social life, be selective about your time. If people see you giving your time to everyone, they won't value it. But if you make your attention exclusive, people work harder to earn it. And in dating and relationships, people value what they have to work for. If you're too easy to get, people don't appreciate you. But if you show that you have high standards, people step up their game to meet them. Now that we've covered the 3 scarcity traps, let's discuss how to use scarcity to make yourself more valuable. First, make your time more valuable. If you're always available, people take you for granted. But when your time feels scarce, people suddenly value it more. Here's how to do it. So, at work, instead of saying, sure, I'll help whenever, say, I only have 15 minutes available today. Let's make it count. Now, people respect your time. With friends and family, if you feel like people expect too much from you, start saying, hey, I'd love to, but my schedule is packed this week. Let's find a time that works for both of us. Watch how they appreciate your time more. And on social media, if you respond instantly to every message, people assume you're always available. But if you take your time, suddenly they wonder, what's keeping them busy? This adds mystery and value to your presence. Second, create exclusivity. Want to stand out? Make it feel like not everyone gets access to you. In business, instead of saying I work with anyone, say I only work with serious clients who meet these qualifications. Suddenly, people want to qualify to work with you. And in networking, if you go to every event and talk to everyone, you blend in. But if you're selective about where you go and who you connect with, you create an exclusive aura that makes people want to be part of your circle. And on social media, instead of posting everything about your life, hold some things back. Drop teasers, post selectively, and leave some mystery. This makes people more curious about you. 3, limit availability to create demand. When something's always accessible, people take it for granted. But when it's only available for a short time, people rush to get it. Here's how to apply this in real life. At work, if you're a freelancer or a consultant, instead of saying, I'm always available for new clients, say, I only take 3 clients per month. Spots fill up fast. And in social life, instead of always agreeing to last-minute plans, say, I'm booked solid this weekend, but let's set something up for next week. This makes your time feel more valuable. And in dating, instead of being too eager, match the energy of high-status people. Say, I'd love to meet up, but I'm busy this week. Let's find a time that works for both of us. Suddenly, you're the one in demand. So what did we learn today? Scarcity makes people crazy. Companies use it to trick you into spending more. But now you know how to use it for yourself. This week, try this. Make your time more valuable. Create exclusivity. Not everyone should get access to you. Limit your availability. The less you give, the more people want. Comment below. How have you experienced the scarcity principle in your life? If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, Because trust me, YouTube's algorithm uses scarcity too. Plus, it really helps the channel. And click on this playlist to learn more about other mind control tricks that are being used on you every single day. We'll see you next time.